Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to share with you how I style my grocery store flowers as well as a couple of Mother's Day place settings. Now first I'm starting out here with just some grocery store daisies in white. Now typically at this point you will cut your flower, the stem, down to the size depending on the vase that you're using, but because my vase is pretty tall that I'm going to use, I am not going to cut these. Well, I'm going to cut them just a tiny bit because the purpose of cutting your flowers is to open up the stem so that it can start receiving the water and the food that you put in the water. And they usually give you a little packet to place in the water. I've already put that in there and just stirred it around. And so now I am at the point that I am placing the flowers. And you also want to remove any of your stems that will be in the water. Any of the greenery, like this stem is not necessary, little pieces of greenery. And what I'm doing is trying to place these in here at an angle. Place one stem at one angle and then come back with the other stem at a different angle so that they can kind of rest upon each other. This way it helps to keep them at a higher level for me. Now this one is broken, so I'm going to go ahead and take that off. And then this one goes at an angle on this side. So as you can see, I'm going from side to side. I want to make sure that I have flowers all the way around the vase. And then just see where there may be a little gap or a hole. And I'm going to place this last one over on this side. Okay, so the next thing that I do is go ahead and add my faux flowers, because this is, like I said, just a simple grocery store arrangement, and I just always like to add faux flowers. That helps to fill it out. Now if I had individual stems I could just easily place them, but I don't want to cut this yet, so I'm going to leave it on the one stem and just kind of move it throughout the daisies. And then I want a little color. Now for the little plastic stems that you get, the faux stems, you don't have to worry so much about the stems getting in water. But if you have some like this and they may be on a paper stem, you might want to place those in just at the very top so that they do not reach the water. And I'm probably going to place about 3. So guys, here on the table setting, I thought I would do something different. I'm not going to set a full table, but what I wanted to do, because it's Mother's Day and you guys might be setting tables for your family or for your mom, I wanted to show you different ideas. So I set 4 different settings to give you an idea of how you can set up a simple table setting to a more elegant table setting. So first I'm going to start here. This one is of course a farmhouse setting, and this has a galvanized metal charger And I have my beautiful farmhouse plates, compliments of Martha from Divine Inspirations, and she helped complete my set from Dillard's earlier this year, and so I'm really thankful and appreciative of her for doing that, helping me out there. And so I just have it sitting on actually a paper placemat that I got in the fall from Hobby Lobby, and I'm just using the black and white to pick up the black and white print that's on the plate. And then I added a simple yellow napkin, which you will see in most place settings on this table. And if you guys remember, or if you're new here, I got this napkin from a thrift store, and I got 8 of them for $4. And then I just have some Dollar Tree water glasses, and then I have this recycled glass that I got from Home Goods, and I got 6 in a container for $9.99. Okay, so the next setting, I just placed a silver charger, and I purchased some. I didn't recently get them, but I have some Walmart plates that have a marble pattern on them, as well as the bowls. And then here's the napkin again. And then I just placed some faux greenery and a little soft flowers just to soften the setting. And then I wanted to share this with you guys, that this little complete napkin and silverware set came from the Dollar Tree. You get 3 in a pack for $1. That is an awesome deal. And so I shared with you guys in another haul these yellow mercury glass candle holders, and I thought those were really pretty just to use for a setting. Now if you're doing this at home, you can do this on all 4 settings, and that will be really pretty. And then I just added a little more elegant glass with this place setting, which is like a cut crystal and a faux crystal. And these I got from a garage sale a couple years ago. Okay guys, so with this place setting, I have a yellow placemat, and then I have a galvanized metal charger and just a simple white plate. And then I'm using this yellow plate that I got from Hobby Lobby during a 80% off sale, I believe. And I'm adding the Dollar Tree napkin and silverware. And I'm also adding just a simple gray and white ticking napkin that I got from Hobby Lobby during the Christmas holiday. And then on this one, this is more of a casual look, so I just went ahead and placed one of the Dollar Tree water goblets, and then another drinking glass, the same recycled glass from Home Goods. Okay, so this one is my more elegant place setting, and so what I have here is once again the faux cut crystal glass. I put the yellow tea light holder there, and then I doubled the napkins. I'm using the yellow one here, and then I'm placing the white on top, and then I have some gold cutlery that came in a set with the white china, and this, well, it's not even real china, but it came from Walmart. I'm sure most of us have this white set with the gold trim, and then here is the matching little dessert plate. And I have this other plate that I shared with you guys in a haul from Goodwill several years ago. It also has like a cut glass pattern, and I thought that was really pretty paired up with this glass. And then of course, I'm adding my teacup. And then I put everything on top of a silver charger with a gold rim. Okay, so this is the centerpiece that I put together at the beginning, and I just like adding faux flowers to the real flowers because it just helps it to come alive a little more. Sometimes the not Dollar Tree, but the grocery store flowers, just putting them in the vase alone just doesn't give it much character. I also placed it in this green vase that is like the same green as the recycled glass. And then I just placed 2 candles on the side, each side of the vase, just for ambiance. Just keep it simple and enjoy your friends and family. And guys, here is where I'm going to end my Mother's Day, in this area on the couch relaxing. Okay guys, so unfortunately I will not be doing a video on Friday. This is graduation week for my son. He graduates high school on Saturday, and we are just going to take the time and spend with our family for this week, and then I will return on Wednesday of next week. So thanks for watching, and I wish you all a wonderful Mother's Day weekend, and I will see you guys back here next week. Bye-bye.